We have a riverfront room here at Port Orleans Riverside. That is the Sassagoula Float Works where the food is. We're in building 14. 1416 is our room number, the first building. And we have a corner room, which is exciting. And walk into a table with 2 chairs.
Guess who's behind the bed?
Who's behind the bed?
Yes.
Move your bag. Prince Devine. Oh, it's got to be Lewis. It's your guy, Lewis. I know where Chris is sleeping tonight. He's gonna sleep over there with Lewis.
I like Lewis.
Yes, he does. We got a Mickey on the bed. We got 2 queen beds. Love the lighting above the beds. I love the little touch like here of the little frog feet. And it's got a beverage cooler, coffee. I love the hooks on the wall, and I love me a ceiling fan. That's amazing. These are all Tiana themed rooms, Bayou rooms. And you've got your blow dryer, double sink, H2O. They're still getting rid of some of the H2O stuff. And places to hang your stuff, extra blanket pillow, nicely lit mirror, backlit. And I love the shower curtain. It's a shower with a tub. And you do have a seating bench for if you need that, and a standard commode, and your towels. And like I said, it's room 1416. Closest to the food, corner room, waterfront view. Can't beat that. Welcome, Mementowski family.